Hillary here from Car Keys Express. And this is the Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, and Mazda Simple Key. Replacing modern car keys usually requires professional tools and equipment, but Simple Key allows you to put a new key on your vehicle using plug and pair technology. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is. In the box, you'll find an uncut key, the easy installer, and the user guide. There are 2 steps to making your new key work with your vehicle: cut and pair. First, cut. The new key must be cut before pairing to your vehicle. If your key looks like this, it can be cut at any local hardware store. If your key looks like this, it can be cut by an automotive locksmith or a dealership. Next is pairing. But before we get started, make sure to read the important notes section in your user guide. Okay, let's get started. These instructions have timing requirements. Once you begin, move at a quick and even pace. If you wait too long between steps, your vehicle's computer may time out and you'll have to start over. In the user guide, find the correct dial position for your vehicle's make, model, and year. Turn the dial on the Easy Installer to the correct position. Once in the vehicle, make sure it's in park and the engine is off. Also, make sure all doors are closed. Insert the new key into the ignition and turn it to the on or run position. That's the position just before starting the engine. Insert the Easy Installer firmly into the onboard diagnostic or OBD port, located here under the steering wheel. The exact location of your vehicle's OBD port can be found in your vehicle owner's manual. Once the Easy Installer is inserted, push the button on the end to start the key pairing process. You'll wait 10 minutes for pairing to finish. During this time, the installer is communicating with your vehicle. So, set a timer on your phone and think about the time, expense, and hassle you're saving by skipping the dealership. When complete, the Easy Installer will sound another audible tone. Remove the Easy Installer from the OBD port, test the key by removing it from the ignition, reinserting it, and starting the vehicle. Repeat the key pairing process for any additional new keys. If your key looks like this, congratulations, you're finished. If your key looks like this, next, we'll pair the key's remote features. There are several methods for doing this. Check your user guide for the remote pairing instructions for your key. Today, I'll show you one method. First, press the unlock button on the driver's door panel and insert the key into the ignition. Next, turn the ignition from off to the on or run position 8 times within 10 seconds. The door locks will cycle to confirm pairing mode. Within 20 seconds, press any button on the first remote. The door locks will cycle to confirm pairing. Turn the key to off and remove it. The door locks will cycle to indicate the vehicle is no longer in pairing mode. Test the key's remote by pressing lock, unlock, and other buttons for optional features your vehicle may have. That's it! Congratulations! You have a new key. I'm Hillary here at Car Keys Express, and now you know just how easy it is to add a key to your vehicle with Simple Key.